Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you split a video on Capcut PC? Now it's going to be really simple, so bear with me on this one. On this prompt here, I want you to click on this one, the one that says import. It's going to be showing you the videos that you want to be uploading. It's going to be showing you your file zips. Once you're done with that, the video is going to be here. You want to be dragging it down here. So left click, drag here, and lengthen the video. Just follow the cursor of the mouse here, plus click this one. You could plus minus, so depending on the sizes you want. So now, as you can see, as I move this line right here, see how the video changes. So that's the duration of the video. You could choose from and where to apply the cut that you want. So let's say, for example, I choose here. So just place it here and click this one right here, basically. And there you have it. You have two cut separate videos now. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. And that's how simple it is. Thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.